Okay loves, starting with the wash routine, I'm going to be using the Olaplex system. So starting with the Olaplex number 4 bond maintenance shampoo, which is recommended by my hairstylist. And then after that, you're supposed to go in with the number 3, which is the hair perfector, and then following up with the number 5, which is the bond maintenance conditioner. Now I love this system because honestly it didn't even leave my hair too dry. Now I did follow up with a deep conditioner after the fact, but I wanted to make sure I shampooed my hair, get rid of any buildup and any other product that I had on my hair. Like I had heat protectant, hairspray, gloss serum, all that. So as I shampoo, I do 2 lathers just to make sure my hair is rid of everything. And then I'm going to go in with that Bond Hair Perfector. Now everyone raves about this, especially people who have had color treated hair, especially if they had their hair bleached. Now in my case, my hair was not bleached at all. So I'm going to show you guys after this clip exactly how my texture looks with nothing on it. Alright, I am out of the shower, you guys. I want to show you how my hair texture is looking with absolutely no product in it. I'm about to do the bond treatment. So again, I want to share with you guys that this color process had no bleach involved. I do still have my dark roots. And just show you guys the back. Now I will say, do I see a difference in my curls? Yes. And honestly you guys, I really don't care because I already showed or shared with you guys that I'm not going to be trying to do no full-blown wash and goes anymore. Will I do braid outs and twist outs? Absolutely, but in the near future. So now I'm going to go in with the Olaplex number 3 bonding treatment. I shampooed first. Like, I know you're supposed to do this before the shampoo thing, but my thing is my hair had a lot of stuff on it, like just from me curling it and, you know, touching it up, it was just dirty. So going in with the bond treatment, it says to use 1 time per week. For damaged hair, 2 to 3 times per week, but I'm going to do it 1 time since I'm straightening my hair. And apply on damp towel dried hair. So I'm going to blot my hair, soak up some of this water, apply the bond treatment, and then come back. And after I rinse that out, I'm going to apply the Olaplex number 5, which is the bond maintenance conditioner. And then I'm going to deep condition. I'm going to show you guys the deep conditioner I used, and then come back and show you how my hair is looking, and then we're going to get into blow drying and straightening. Alright, and now for the moment of truth. This is after the Olaplex number 3 treatment and deep conditioning my hair with the Shea Moisture Deep Conditioner. And again, no product on my hair right now, completely rinsed out. Definitely a lot of texture left, a lot of the curl pattern left. Honestly, it pretty much looks the same to me prior to the color. The only part that like really changed in my opinion was the front section, and I mean honestly that's the part where I put the most heat anyway, so I feel like that's why the texture looks a little bit different. But if I were to again put it in a ponytail or anything, the curls would definitely still be popping. So I'm excited to see how that looks pretty soon when I decide to wear a little bit more in its natural state. So now I'm going to go in and blow dry my hair. So I'm going to divide it in 4 sections. I like to go in and just kind of blot each section just to soak up any extra water. And then going with the Argan Oil Heat Protector and Shine Polisher. Literally just that much, if you guys can see that, not too much. And literally just go in a praying hands motion and just smooth it throughout that section. And I'm going to apply this in all 4 sections and then go in and blow dry. But after that, I like to layer it one more time lightly with the Cream of Nature Anti-Humidity Gloss and Shine Mist. And just spray that all over. Spray a little bit in my hands for more focus. Same thing. And then move that out the way, apply it to all 4 sections, and then blow dry. Alright y'all, it's the next day because I decided to go to bed last night. So now I'm going to separate my hair into 6 sections to flat iron it. And I finally got my hands on the Babyliss Pro Prima 3100. This is the 1-inch barrel and it's a dual flat iron because you can also lock it in place and have it like this to create waves. But you guys know I love doing my flat iron curls, so I'll just be using it as a curler. And the barrel on the outside is hot as well. And it came with one of these. So if you guys are familiar with like wand curls, it usually comes with this so you don't like burn your hand on the outside. So you want to be very, very careful with this. But this is similar to my Conair one. So if you still want that price of the Conair, definitely go with Conair. But I wanted to get my hands on this because the people in the salon use this too. And this is like a powerful flat iron, okay? And it's great for all hair types. So I'm super excited to use this. And yeah, let's straighten it. All right, so as I go in and create my sections, I like to do 3 on each side. And I like to go back in with the Cream of Nature Anti-Humidity Gloss and Shine Spray. Mainly kind of spray that in my hands. Rub that all throughout the section first. And then go in and just spray a little more. But not too much though. Alright, now this Babyliss Pro flat iron goes up to 465 degrees and hair burns like past that point. So I'm just going to keep it on 410, which is already like super high. Normally for me, I always keep mine on like the highest heat setting. I rarely do it like 300 and below because I'm trying to get my hair bone straight, okay? I already told y'all I don't really care about the whole wash and go thing no more for right now. So I'm okay with that, which is why I have some heat guard on my hair. So yeah, 410 is very hot. Like I can feel it this far off the plate. Oh my gosh, y'all. All I have to say is this flat iron is that girl. Like, I'm still growing out my layers, but wow. Silky smooth, silky straight. Like, I literally can take this rat tail comb and just unbelievable. All right, now let's finish this side. All right, you guys, my hair is pretty much straight. I went in with my little small flat iron because if you're like me, I have some super kinky edges, so I like to just go in with the extra pass and get them as straight as possible. And I just gotta say again, that flat iron is that girl. That Babyliss Pro, chef's kiss. Now, I am growing my layers out, so if you are cutting your hair pretty choppy while it's in this curly state, this is how your hair is gonna end up looking. It looks a little crazy, not gonna lie, but I am going to wrap it in a separate video and show you guys how I easily wrap my hair when it's straightened. I am still gonna put some curls in it because I just love bombshell curls or flat iron curls, so stay tuned for that in-depth tutorial. But just to show you guys again how it looks bone straight. And after that Olaplex, my hair doesn't feel dry at all. Like, it literally feels amazing. But that is pretty much it, you guys. Let me know what you like to do to straighten your hair and what products you like to use, especially if your hair is color treated. And stay tuned for my wrapping tutorial and my pin curl tutorial, and I will talk to you guys in my next video.